Yes, please.
તે હમણાં જ અહીંથી નીકળ્યો છે. He has he has just left here.
Left from here.
Left from here.
તેઓએ હમણાં જ નવું ઘર બાંધ્યું છે. They have just built new house.
Built.
Built. They have just built new house.
તેણીએ હમણાં ફરજન ખાધું છે. He has just eaten apple.
An apple.